You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Klover. In this Klover credit score tool review, I'll share my hands-on experience with this platform designed to simplify credit score access and understanding. Klover distinguishes itself by providing a streamlined and user-friendly approach to credit monitoring, perfect for those seeking a clear picture of their credit health without the confusion often associated with traditional credit reporting tools. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, from credit newbies to seasoned financial veterans. Klover grants free and regular access to your credit score, pulled directly from TransUnion, a major credit bureau. This ensures the accuracy and timeliness of the information you receive. The app also tracks your score's progress over time, giving you a dynamic view of your credit journey. What truly sets Klover apart is its intuitive interface. Instead of overwhelming users with complex metrics and unnecessary features, Klover focuses on delivering essential credit information clearly and concisely, along with personalized recommendations for improvement. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a quick credit overview without delving into the advanced functionalities found in some other tools. Beyond simple monitoring, Klover offers a unique advantage: the ability to apply for cash advances directly through the app. This feature leverages your credit score and transaction history within Klover, offering a convenient path to financial flexibility when needed. Whether you're building credit from scratch, rebuilding after credit challenges, or simply maintaining a healthy score, Klover caters to a broad range of users. Its no-cost approach to credit monitoring is especially valuable for those looking for an affordable and accessible way to stay informed about their credit standing. In conclusion, Klover is a strong contender in the credit score tool landscape, providing a clear, straightforward method for tracking your credit score and accessing potential financial assistance. Its user-friendly design and helpful features make it an excellent option. Explore the links in the description to discover more and start your journey with Klover today.